a friendly little snail with a smile on its face. From these simple shapes, let's begin to trace. Together, we're setting off on a creative adventure. Let's turn these basic shapes into a charming snail, adding pizzazz with every pencil stroke and a sprinkle of fun. Did you know? A snail shell is like a tiny, built-in house that grows with it. It's like a personal fortress that it carries everywhere. The tiny snail sets sail on a magical trail, waving its antennae like a happy little tail. It glides through the flowers, past rocks and a brook, singing a tune with each little look. The snail loves to roam, so slow and so free, in a world full of wonder, so happy to be. With a smile on its face and a joyful cheer, the snail's little adventure is always so near. You are doing spectacular job, you peeperific peep. This is turning out totally snail-tastic. Now that we've got a glimpse of our snail's cool look, what fun name should we give our new shell-tastic buddy? I just heard. A sneaky marker's on the run. Let's catch it quick and have some fun. With this marker, we'll draw some slick lines and make our friend here truly shines. Got an idea to give our little snail a unique touch? Let your creativity run wild. Feel free to add any detail that you think will make our friend really pop. Our little friend is zooming toward the finish line. Just a few more touches and our snail will be so cool and charming. I mean, how could he not? With a smile like that, he's got coolest snail written all over it. Have you picked out the perfect colors for our little buddy yet? Now's the moment to choose. Here's how mine turned out if you need to get those vibrant ideas flowing. And remember, there's a whole lot more fun videos like this. Totally free at scribblepeeps.com. Bye!